That scared her. There's any people in here that were.
You know what happened?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sure there's worse things.
There it is, baby. You were waiting for it. You can have the fucking weird. People love it.
Do you have anything else? I don't think I've burped like once or twice in sorrow.
And then the rest were white.
No, I'm not picky.
What about me? Check out.
Tell me about it. Whoa. What? Fucking sleeve, Kathy.
You acknowledge that. One of these comments I got. More done, they didn't complain. And they said, oh, back in the day, they had actually looking for someone else. Jesus. All of our knives are.
My pants.
I'll start working now, I think. Miss, you never burp. It's always me.
I got it.
Oh, it's cutting off.
Oh, you're here.
Oh. Nothing's coming out today.
It's just thing. I gotta go.
Like at all? Oh, I can't stand the tongue.
I can't. I would need to brush my teeth down. Oh, I have one coming. Usually, their cupcakes are good.